Place a piece of aluminum foil into boiling water. This trick saved me a lot of stress during my years of working as a housekeeper for wealthy people. I didn't believe such a simple trick could actually work. Prepare a pot of water and place it on the stove. Bring the water to a boil. Take a piece of aluminum foil and tear off a larger section. Aluminum foil has an amazing ability to attract dirt, which helps effectively remove tough stains. Roll the pieces of foil into balls about the size of walnuts. The shiny side should be on the outside. Toss the foil balls and the utensils that need polishing, those with hard-to-remove stains, buildup, and streaks, into the boiling water. Let them cook for 5 minutes. Afterward, pour out the water. Lay the utensils on a kitchen towel and dry them off. Just dry them well and they will look as good as new. No polishing needed. There will be no streaks, and the stainless steel will shine like it's fresh from the factory. This is a simple trick that helps you get perfectly clean utensils with no extra effort.
This is how you can clean a burnt oven without scrubbing. You will never want to clean it any other way again. This clever trick works every time. All you need is one gel dishwasher tablet. Place it in an oven-proof dish and place it in the oven. Then pour 1 liter of boiling water over it. Close the oven and set it to 100 degrees Celsius. Leave the dish in for about an hour. The steam containing active ingredients from the tablet will settle on the oven walls. They have degreasing, dissolving, and cleaning properties. They will perfectly cover all the burnt food residues. The heat of the oven will speed up the dissolving process. As a result, you won't need to scrub them. After an hour, open the oven and wipe the walls with a wet sponge. The dirt will come off immediately. It will even collect heavily burnt residues like a magnet. Try this trick and let us know if it worked.
Your cutlery will look like new, clean, shiny, and stain-free without scrubbing or polishing. Prepare a glass baking dish and place the cutlery inside. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of salt, followed by baking soda. Baking soda has excellent cleaning properties. Now, pour a little vinegar over the cutlery. The vinegar will make them even cleaner and shinier. But that's not all. Pour hot water over everything until the cutlery is fully submerged in the solution. Wait 15 minutes and let the ingredients work their magic. After that, take out the cutlery and see how amazingly it shines. This simple method restores the sparkle to your favorite forks, knives, and spoons. The results are truly spectacular. Just dry them off, and you're done. Try this method and see how easy it is to achieve spotless, gleaming cutlery. Wash your shower glass with this sponge, and it will stay clean for 2 weeks. Limescale and residue won't build up. This simple trick saves a lot of cleaning time. Take a regular cleaning sponge, ensuring it's clean and new. Grab a dishwasher tablet, remove its protective film, and take out the protruding ball. Press it against the sponge and cut out a rectangle the size of the tablet. Remove the cut piece of sponge and insert the tablet in its place. The tablet works wonders during cleaning, as its active ingredients effectively combat limescale and residue. Wet the prepared sponge under running water, letting it soak thoroughly. Use it to clean the dirty shower glass. No additional detergents are needed. With every stroke, the tablet dissolves and removes buildup. Clean the glass using circular motions, then rinse with water. This method keeps your shower looking clean for longer. The dishwasher tablet prevents limescale from settling on the glass and adds shine to metal parts, making your bathroom look as good as new. The modified sponge lasts for multiple uses and costs only pennies to make. A technician once recommended that I run my dishwasher this way once a month. This method effectively cleans the dishwasher of all dirt and odors, refreshing it without any scrubbing. If your dishwasher emits an unpleasant smell after every cycle, it's time to try this method. When you open the dishwasher, it appears clean and even shiny. So, where does the bad smell come from? Food residues accumulate in the filter. Just unscrew it, and you'll see how much dirt is there. Despite using the best dishwasher tablets, they can't remove all the grime. Over time, this results in a bad odor emanating from the dishwasher. Fortunately, the technician who installed my dishwasher recommended a simple solution. Prepare a bowl and place it in the dishwasher. Pour vinegar into the bowl. It's best to use the largest bowl that will fit to add more vinegar. Sprinkle baking soda over the bottom of the dishwasher. Do not put any other items in the dishwasher. Run it on a hot cycle and that's it. As the cycle starts, water will flush the vinegar from the bowl, and it will clean the entire dishwasher. The baking soda will also contribute to cleaning the interior. Use this method once a month and your dishwasher will always be clean and fresh. Put toilet paper in your dishwasher. You'll thank yourself later. After the dishwasher finishes the washing cycle, place a roll of toilet paper inside and close the dishwasher. The paper will quickly absorb excess water from the dishes, preventing spots and streaks. In just a few minutes, your dishes will be dry and you can put them away. This simple trick saves time and makes cleaning easier. This trick with a dishwasher towel will dry wet dishes in just 5 minutes, and without any wiping. Do you ever find that your dishwasher doesn't dry the dishes? What do you do when you want to take out plates, bowls, cups, and containers, but they're still wet? I used to take a towel and dry such dishes by hand. It took a lot of time, but I didn't like the water streaks it left behind. This problem often occurs with plastic containers. Plastic dishes don't retain heat, so they dry more slowly. You often take them out of the dish, washer still wet. Sometimes even regular dishes or cups are wet. However, there is a way to ensure that dishes, including plastic ones, are dry. You won't see a single drop of water on them anymore. The problem will disappear in just a few minutes. All you need is a towel, or even 2. But you won't be wiping the dishes with them at all. The towel will do all the work for you. After a while, the dishes will be dry. Just use a regular dish towel. When the dishwasher finishes its cycle, pass it through the dishwasher door and close it. The dry towel will absorb all the moisture from the dishwasher. You can hang even 2 towels through the dishwasher door. The effect will be 100%. A small terry towel will also work very well. In just a few minutes, your dishes will be dry. Throw a laundry pod into a bucket. This trick will give you floors so shiny and clean, you could eat off them. Your floor will finally sparkle like a mirror. Start by tossing a laundry pod into the bucket. Then add a handful of laundry scent beads. Pour hot water over these 2 ingredients. The pod will dissolve, and the beads will too, releasing a beautiful scent. This homemade cleaner is not only effective, but also smells amazing. Now pour everything into a second bucket. This step is crucial. Use one bucket to wring out the mop, and the other for soaking it in clean water. This trick ensures your mop stays in clean water, making your floors cleaner than ever. Wash every room this way, and your floor will shine without any streaks or chemicals.